Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to update Discord on PC or laptop. So if you also want to update Discord on PC or laptop, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is open Discord application on your PC or laptop. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now what you have to do is actually close the Discord application. Simply click on the close icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here Discord application has been closed. So updating the Discord application is actually very simple. All you have to do is exercise your patience for a while, wait for about 1 or 2 minutes. Now after you wait for a while, launch your Discord application again. Updating the Discord application is very important for smoother experience and new features. Discord will automatically check for updates when you launch it. But if it does not do it automatically for you, what you have to do is after you open the Discord application, simply press Ctrl+R on your keyboard. Now Discord will restart. If your Discord application needs an update, it will check for it. The app will automatically scan for any new updates and install them. So this is how simple it is to update the Discord application. So that is how you update Discord application on PC or laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.